Most mechanics have seen every engine problem under the sun, but this one doesn't happen every day.
All right, I got most of the squirrel nests removed for you.
This is what it looked like before the cleanup. A squirrel built its nest full of leaves, sticks, and pine needles.
As soon as I posted that, everybody had a story.
Brandon Fitch's story is that he'd been away for almost a week. Then he returned.
That night we went out again and the engine light came on.
So he took it to his Toyota dealer.
And the one that actually opened the hood said the squirrel was still in the nest, jumped at him, tried to bite him, and 3 other mechanics had to shoo him out with a broom.
When they cleaned the nest out, there were still problems.
But what I did find is that your purge actuator right here, they did chew through the wires.
Then came the cost of repair.
Estimated at 30 hours of labor and at $180 an hour for mechanics these days. Yeah, it ended up being with a rental would be about $8,500.
The good news, insurance will cover most of the cost, but from now on, Fitch will keep on checking under the hood.